Assalamu alaikum. So today I'm going to share an amazing online teaching website. It's an international website for online teachings, for hiring or searching job as well. How you can find work here? You can find skill wise, subject wise, location wise, grade wise. Like you can search from any grade to any grade. Like here is grade 1 to PhD level teachers and students available. Both options are available. You can teach and you can submit your work and hire a teacher for yourself from any country. Here you can see the list of all countries. You can work from any country and you can hire a teacher from any country. For example, if you want to hire a teacher, you can click on teacher and here is 4 options: all, online, home and assignments. If you want to hire online teachers, you can click on online. If you want to hire home teachers, you can click on home. If you want to work for online, you can click on online tab, and if you want to work physical jobs, you can click on home, and you can find so many jobs related to your country. Let me click on online teaching. You can see people post their issues and subject complete detail. You can just read that. You can just read the post and apply if you are able to do this. You think you are qualified for this job. You can also search grade wise, like from level intermediate to apply filter. Here you can see from all grade how you can apply for this job. Click on the specific job and here is the complete detail of job. You can show number of this user and contact by using 40 coins. Mostly number are unavailable. You can only visible this number when you buy with 40 coins. When you click on the message button, they will ask you about coins and you have to buy coins. You can see here is different packages: 100 coins, 250 coins and 500 up to 1000 coins. You can buy all these and apply only if you have these coins. For example, if you want to buy 1000 coins, it costs 18 USD, and with 1000 coins you can apply for 100 of jobs and you can find permanent clients as well. Thank you.